What's the meaning of avocet? Avocet. Avocet.
Avocet. Avocet. An avocet is a type of long-legged, web-footed bird that is found in various parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, Africa, and North America. The word avocet comes from the Latin word avocetta, which means little bird. Avocets are known for their striking black and white plumage, as well as their long, thin bills, which they use to forage for food in shallow water. They mainly feed on small aquatic invertebrates such as crustaceans, insects, and mollusks. Overall, the avocet is an elegant and unique bird species that has adapted well to its wetland habitat.